equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on screen replacement. In this first part, we'll focus on the tools you'll need and the initial steps to take before diving into the replacement process. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a precision screwdriver set, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and a suction cup. These tools will help you safely open your device without causing damage. Make sure to have a clean, flat workspace to avoid losing any small screws. Now, let's start by powering down your device completely. This is crucial to prevent any electrical issues during the repair. Once it's off, locate the screws that secure the back cover. Typically, these screws are found around the edges. Use your precision screwdriver to carefully remove them, placing them in a small container to keep them organized. With the screws removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious here. Applying too much force can crack the casing. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any hidden screws or clips that may still be holding it in place. Once the back cover is off, you'll see the internal components. Take a moment to clean the area with a soft brush or compressed air. Dust and debris can interfere with the new screen's performance, so this step is essential. Next, locate the battery connector. Disconnecting the battery is a safety measure to ensure no power is running through the device while you work. This is a good time to mention that if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess your device and provide you with options. After disconnecting the battery, you'll need to remove the screws that secure the screen assembly. Keep track of these screws as they can vary in size. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the screen using the suction cup. If it's stuck, use the spudger to carefully pry it loose, taking care not to damage any cables underneath. With the old screen removed, it's time to prepare for the new one. Before installing, check the new screen for any defects. If everything looks good, align it with the connectors and gently press it into place. Make sure it fits snugly without forcing it. Now, reconnect the battery and test the screen before sealing everything back up. This is a crucial step to ensure that the new screen is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Once you've confirmed that the new screen works, it's time to reassemble your device. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this can strip the threads. Finally, reattach the back cover, ensuring it clicks into place. You've successfully replaced your screen. If you need assistance or prefer to leave it to the professionals, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll cover further troubleshooting and tips for maintaining your device. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.